Hello everyone. This printer is HP DeskJet 2810E. What I want to do is to show you ways to print document from your phone with this printer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your mobile device are connected together via a wireless network. And the way to do this, press the Wi-Fi and cancel button together for 3 seconds to put the printer in a wireless mode. Then install HP Smart App or HP app on your phone. Then add the printer, put the Wi-Fi password, and connect the printer. Once you've done that, to print documents, you need to go to My Files. So select My Files, then select Documents, then scroll down and select specific document you want to print out. Select on the document, select just once. These are documents we want to print out, 2-page document. To print it out, Android printing, gently tap on the screen, then select 3 dots, then select print. It will show you this app. Scroll down and look for the printer HP DeskJet 2800 series remote printer. Select on it. It will show you a yellow printer icon. Then scroll down, select number of copies, the color, the size of the paper, orientation, portrait. Then if you want to print all, then you need to select print all. If you want to print specific page, let's say if you want to print double-sided, then select pages, then select range. Select to print page 1, then select print. Select OK. So it's going to print only page 1. Then we reload the paper and print out the second page for us to print double-sided. This is the document we printed out, page 1. To print double-sided, reload it with the printed area already at the back. So reload it on the rear paper tray, triple dot, select print, scroll down and select the correct printer. Then select pages, select the range, then type page 2. Page 2, then select print. So it's printing the second page. This is the document we printed out double-sided manually. Another method to print documents. So go to HP app. This is HP app. This is the ink level, and this is the printer. This is HP DeskJet. So to print documents, you scroll down, select print documents, select PDFs, then select documents. Then it will show you documents available on your phone. Then you scroll down and select specific document you want to print out. Select on the document. So this is 2-page document. Then select print preview. Select number of copies. The paper as A4. Range, want to print all. And also color. I want us to print this black and white. Private pickup is off. Orientation, automatic. You can select portrait. More option. Quality. Quality, you can select draft, normal, or best. Normal. Scaling. View page. Then you go back. Then select print. These are documents we printed out. These ones, black and white, single page. This one, double-sided in color. Thank you very much indeed.